So, look at this, boys. Starting it. Getting it ready, son. Yeah, I fix it. No, I fix it somewhere around here. But getting it there though, boys. So I'll be able to get out more cards. But you know, I'm sure at least most of you understand. Some don't, you know, but hey, everybody has to learn, and that's how you learn things. But yeah, takes a little bit. So like for this one, for example, we're reflowing it, you know. And yeah, so I'm just giving like a brief little overview here of my studio that I'm building, because you know it's not done yet. I got to clear out all this crap, you know, in the storage room here. But I got a start. See, everything I need: internet, backup power, plugins, duplicators. I make all the Windows 10 disks and none in the world. Then, you know, laptop for regular stuff. This and that. This little thing here. You can use this to flash drives and NAND chips and all that. So, yeah. Gives me ideas on GPUs. Got these to look at yet still. I'm working on it, guys. It just takes time to get everything built, you know, and that, because I mean, you can't do stuff like this if you ain't got no room. You know, you gotta have some room to do it, because otherwise you can't. And see how cramped I am already? Look at that. I gotta fit through this little hole all the time. So, yeah. But I'm working on it, getting her done, boys. Once I get, you know, more stuff set up and get things done, I'll be making more videos, putting them out, you know. This is my microscope I use. You know, but yeah, got that, and little holder, power supply, push, you know, so I can use this here. I can put, so with this tool, if I need to test this, you know, or this, or whatever it might be, right, I can force power through it and see if it works. This is the clean flux off, which is this. I use this. I use this specific kind for GPUs, because you know it's for, you know, low viscosity, whatever, I don't know, but for GPU repairs. I mean, it's literally made for it, so can't beat that. Be careful, it will poke you. That's the brand of it right here, Y stems. Yeah, I don't know, but this shit works great. See, I mean, I use it. This one here is, yeah, same one. So, that stuff is like a miracle worker. Okay, so, alright. Shut that down, shut this all off and stuff, and start again tomorrow.